You know, I got a phone call from a friend of mine who is doing dry fasting, and he really likes it. And he said, I get all these great benefits. I've lost all this weight. I've, gotten rid of some diseases and stuff like that. But the thing he likes the most is the mental clarity after a dry fast. And we see this all the time. Because of the way dry fasting and during deep autophagy, it cleans out the cells of dirt and debris and toxins and metals and all this stuff. Those are also in the brain. So when that gets cleaned out, it just makes it easier to think. But there's another aspect that people forget. During a dry fast, you're getting rid of virus, bacteria, and parasites. These require external water to stay alive, and you're not drinking any. So they die off. What dies off with them is the chemicals they secrete that encourage you to eat things you shouldn't probably eat, and these are confusing. They're contrary to your normal thought processes, contrary to your normal biology. And when those get out, these are voices telling you to do stuff. And when those are out of your body and out of your mind, it may be the first time since you were a child where you're actually able to just think your own thoughts, unhampered by all these other voices. With all that cacophony of noise taken down, you're able to think. You have a mental clarity. And when that happens, it's really interesting too, because I'm one of these guys that believe that once you clean that stuff out and your brain is able to operate on a highly efficient level and very functional, you're able to tap into other energy, which is all around us. It's all around us, everywhere. And when you can do that and absorb it, you're more aware, you're more cognizant, you're more conscious, and you certainly have mental clarity. So one of the reasons I suggest, especially people that have some mental problems or some confusion in their life or foggy thoughts and stuff, do a dry fast. See if that helps it. It might. It really might. But the point is, you will experience mental clarity. Some people actually feel as though they have a spiritual connection. And that goes along with other things I've talked about. We are a energy being. And when this energy being can actually connect to what's all around it without all this other noise, you have a mental clarity. You're much more connected. This is a beautiful planet. I mean, it's a beautiful day out here. It's a little chilly, but I could care. There's nothing like being in the sun, being by the ocean, or being in the woods, in nature, because you end up feeling it. It's just one of those things. So yeah, mental clarity is one of the big benefits of dry fasting, and I think it's maybe one of the most important, because being able to think and being able to be aware of your environment is one of the reasons we're alive. That's really it. It's all about our time here, and the clearer you can think and the less confused and messed up you are in your thinking, the better. So try some dry fasting. I think you'll like it.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.